Can you say interesting whipsaw? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update, coming to you from a snowy Las Vegas, Nevada, as the snow comes pounding down here in the mountains. And of course, this update is brought to you by our brokerage, one of our brokerage partners, the CTG Group. Now, again, I have other brokers, but for my preference of commodities and futures, I love CTG. In fact, they trade all of my accounts. They want the loans authorized for letter of direction trading for us, and they help you out when you need them, and they always answer the phone. So that's the CTG Group, plus the fact that they do have some great new managed futures products. So check them out, or you can email me and I'll send you a link. In the meantime, what a day. First of all, we did reverse. We are now long the Dow, the Russell, the S&P, and still short the NASDAQ, which today happens to be working out just fine with, at the moment, the Dow and the Russell higher, the S&P down, which we bought lower, and of course the NASDAQ down about 250. So it was under some pretty heavy pressure. But, we'll see. Again, the rally will turn that around. But if you do look at the charts, just a little learning tool, take a look at the charts. The Russell and Dow made all-time new highs yesterday. So that takes away the collapse of those at this moment. The S&P was very close. However, the NASDAQ did not make the NASDAQ is making, it looks like, another lower high, which is very bearish. So we'll see. Again, we'll see at the end of the day. It'll be what it'll be, and we'll see. Okay. Right now, that's our positions, and that's all we can do. In the metals markets, of course, we are short across the board, except the platinum is on a short signal. We no longer trade platinum because of the liquidity for us, but it is on a short signal, and we would be short. However, we are short gold and silver, and it looks like they did exactly what we thought. They went up to some resistance, and they failed. The bonds and notes, oh boy, they're getting clobbered, which is so counter to what they should be doing. Something, again, we keep saying this, there's something wrong. The bond market is telling us that there is something wrong. But, until it happens and until it plays its way through the system, but this is an issue, and we'll talk more about it on Sunday's Bubba's Bottom Line. But it is something. The dollar is higher. Nat gas is lower. Copper is lower. And we are, of course, long dollars, short copper, short nat gas. The crude oil is slightly lower. We're still long. It's been very whippy, but we're still long. I mean, listen, it's doubled since the election. So, what can I tell you? And in the grain markets, very soft, not dramatic. Well, I'd say soybeans down 15 cents is pretty nasty. Corn and wheat are both down a couple of pennies. I don't think it's anything of real note or anything to really worry about there yet. But we're getting closer to a point where we would start to worry. So we'll see how they close out the day. But we're still long across the board. And, of course, hogs are slightly lower, we're long, and cattle is slightly higher, both fats and feeders, and we're short both. And the softs, yesterday they're up, today they're down across the board. Now, they're not down major, they're down teeny, but we are short cotton, short OJ, short coffee, short sugar, long cocoa. So, again, it's just, that's where we are, and we will not react quickly and never during the day. Okay, we will not get involved in the emotional swings of markets. We will evaluate, the algorithms will evaluate when it's over. In the meantime, don't forget about our partners at Family Farms. We love to try to help farmers out. It's such a tough business, and of course, with what's going on today with the fuel costs and fertilizer costs, there's so much more we can be doing to help them, and bringing in, first of all, protecting what they have and helping them put together better plans. So I can't wait till we can get out with Family Farms and our other brokerage partner, which is Tradier. I give the same reasons every day, but it's $10 a month, which is the first thing. Okay. Second is we have the ability to auto trade for them if you choose. Now, that is totally your option. It is part of the membership of our portfolios. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's entirely up to you, nor do you have to use Trader. We just prefer them because, again, you save enough to pay to fund an IRA every year. So, why shouldn't you have your own money? And they've got great customer service as well. So that's the beauty there. And, of course, the commodity report written by Andy Hecht. If you're a commodities fan, it's the best report ever written, and it is written every week on Wednesday, and of course a update on Friday, and it's available to you. We are, we've actually split it into components, which you can look at now if you want, and of course it's available at BUBBATrading.com. It's called Technomental, and of course our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Quite the day in college basketball yesterday, and interesting enough, Duke gets disqualified now, and now Virginia gets disqualified for COVID. So we'll see. We'll see how the tournament goes. In the meantime, about 30 games again today. So you guys have a great day. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you back on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line back in Chicago, where it's warmer than it is in Vegas. Have a great weekend, everybody. Be careful, be patient, pick your spots, and we'll see you later. Have a great day.